Most people get this wrong. They assume buying business insurance is complicated and expensive, but Next Insurance makes it surprisingly easy, especially for small businesses. Today, I'm sharing my full experience so you can decide if it's right for you. Next Insurance is a digital-first platform that offers business insurance tailored to small businesses, freelancers, and contractors. The biggest advantage is speed. You can get a quote in minutes online and purchase a policy without talking to an agent. Coverage options include general liability, professional liability, workers' compensation, and more. The process is simple. You select your business type, provide basic information, and the system generates a customized quote. During my experience, I was impressed by how transparent the pricing was. Unlike traditional insurers, there are no hidden fees and policies are easy to understand. One surprising feature is their mobile app. You can manage your policy, access your insurance certificate, and even file claims directly from your phone. This is especially handy for small business owners who are always on the move. However, there are some limitations. Next Insurance mainly targets small businesses, so if you run a larger company or need complex coverage, you might need a traditional insurer. Also, customer support is mostly online or via chat, which may not suit everyone. In conclusion, Next Insurance is a fantastic solution for small businesses and freelancers who want fast, affordable, and easy to manage coverage. If you're looking for hassle-free insurance with digital convenience, it's worth checking out. Subscribe for more honest reviews on business tools and insurance options that save you time and money.